Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Qalb Compass, where we navigate life through the Quran. The Prophet, peace be upon him, told us, seek Laylatul Qadr in the odd nights of the last 10 days. But have you ever wondered why the odd nights? Why not the even ones? Why hide the most valuable night of the year in mystery? Imagine someone told you, I have hidden a treasure somewhere in your house. You have 10 rooms. It's in one of them, but I won't tell you which. What would you do? Would you search just one room? Or would you search every single room, hoping to find it? This is the wisdom of the odd nights. If Allah had told us Laylatul Qadr is exactly night 27, what would happen? Most of us would worship on night 27 and rest on the others. But Allah loves to see us seeking. He loves to see us striving. He loves to see us standing in prayer night after night, hoping that this might be the night. Here's the beautiful secret. Even if you don't find Laylatul Qadr, every night you seek it, you're rewarded. Every night you pray, you're rewarded. Every night you make dua, you're rewarded. The journey itself is the treasure. The seeking itself is the gift. And if you do find it, on that night, something extraordinary happens. Allah describes it in Surah Ad-Dukhan.
إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ فِي لَيْلَةٍ مُبَارَكَةٍ إِنَّا كُنَّا مُنذِرِينَ إِنَّا كُنَّا مُنذِرِينَ فِيهَا يُفْرَقُ كُلُّ أَمْرٍ حَكِيمٍ.
Think about that. A blessed night, Laylatul Qadr, where the Quran descended, where angels fill the earth, where your entire next year is decreed. Imagine your name being mentioned in the heavens as the angels witness your prayer at 3 a.m. So here's your gem for night 25. Tonight, don't just wait for Laylatul Qadr, seek it. How? Pick one surah you love, just one. Surah Yasin, Surah Maryam, Surah Rahman. Read its meaning slowly. Let each verse sink into your heart. And when you find a verse that moves you, stop. Make dua right there. That moment might be your Laylatul Qadr. Don't let these nights pass you by like ordinary nights. The odd nights are leaving one by one. Night 24 is gone. Night 25 is here. Will you let it slip away too? Tonight, be among those who seek and find. This is Qalb Compass, navigating life through the Quran. May Allah grant us Laylatul Qadr. Share this with someone who needs to seek tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow for night 26. Assalamu alaikum.